What's up everyone, Willie Apple here, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can get the macOS Sonoma Public Beta for yourself. Let's go. Now before you install, what I would do is open up System Settings right here, go down into General. I would make a Time Machine backup, and if you don't have one, what I would do is follow the instructions I do right here. This will save you a ton of time just in case you want to go back to macOS Ventura. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Safari, and then you want to go to the website beta.apple.com. I'll put this down in the description down below, and then once you are here, you want to scroll down and click this sign up button. After that, you're going to get prompted for Touch ID or other authentication. All you gotta do is just use Touch ID, and then that's it with Safari. Next, you want to go inside of System Settings, and then go down to General, and then Software Update. Once you're in Software Update, you're going to see this new section up here that says Beta Update. What you want to do is click this little eye up, and then under Beta Updates, you just want to click here, and then switch this to macOS Sonoma Public Beta. And then once you got an update all prompted here, all you gotta do is click on this Upgrade Now button, and then you'll get the macOS Sonoma Public Beta. Now what should you do if you find some bugs with macOS Sonoma? So there's a new app that gets installed right when you sign up for the public beta called Feedback Assistant. You may get this pop up randomly after installing. All you gotta do is click on Continue, accept the license agreement, and then sign in with your Apple ID. And then once you're in the screen, you just want to click on this button right here, and then you want to select macOS. Now give a descriptive title of your issue, and then where you're seeing the issue from, kind of issue you're reporting. You may get some additional questions right here, just answer them to the best of your ability. And then in the description, you just want to give a clear description of the issue. Just follow all these instructions, are pretty easy, and then click on Submit, and then hopefully Apple will get back to you and fix it in the next beta. That's all I have to say about macOS Sonoma Public Beta. If you would like to know whenever a new macOS beta comes out, just please be subscribed and hit that notification bell. And also please like this video, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!